Here's the powerhouse. This is the powerhouse of this Pajero Signature Edition 3.8 liter V6 engine. Maybach V6. Multiple injection valve or V6. Leather seat, burgundy color, signature edition. How do you like that? And this is the four-wheel drive gear and the normal automatic and sports mode gear. See, you have the normal is the 2H normal drive, and 4H is the four-wheel drive high, and the other one is four-wheel drive low, four-wheel drive high, I don't know, 4HLC, and the other one is 4LLC. We'll study that later. And the sound system, rock forward. Steering wheel, the driver's seat. How do you like that? Leather stitching. Wow, it's leather, not plastic. I love it. Leather dashboard with stitching, burgundy and black combo. Here's the middle passenger seats, 3-seater. The same with signature edition. Headrest. And wow, look at that, the infotainment. We will see that later. Luxury and power. What about that? Ilan taon ko ba binayaran yun? 4 years? Gusto ko yung may carrier kasi pwede kong lagyan ng sa bike.
Mostly yun din naman ang mga ibang
Bike,
may Pinoy
kayak.